Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you Gerunds and Infinitives. So let's start together. 28. I like swimming, like, don't like plus Gerund. What does it mean? Listen together and see. In the column, do you like learning English? He liked working at home. I don't like driving. So the words with the bold letter is a gerund like learning, like working, like driving. This is, we can say, gerund and infinitive. How to use? See, use. The gerund is like a noun. You know, the gerund is like a noun. So gerund is like a noun. We use it after the verb like. We use it after the verb like. Love, had. Also take the gerund. I love going to the cinema. So going is gerund. So love. What we explain is gerund go after the verb. So it is right answer. She had getting up in the morning. So getting is the gerund. Had is an infinitive or verb. Form. You can see form. What is form? So infinitive plus ing. This means verb 1 plus ing. Example: go to going, drink to drinking. Note: no articles. There is no article the, a, an before a gerund. See example here. I like swimming, not I like the swimming. So I like the swimming is the wrong sentence. You have to remember this point. Note, not. Continue. Be. To being. Do not take off the E. Okay? See again. Be. To being. Do not take off the E. Spelling. Come to coming. Verb ending in. Come to coming. Consonant plus E. Take off the E. Example: ending in E, so it take off the E. Take off the E. Swim to swimming. Vowel plus consonant. Lie to lying. IE change to Y. Like this one, IE the same. So we change to Y. So lying, lying. Remember this point. It's very important point that we have to remember, and we have to learn as much as we can. And you can watch again and so on again to make clear that you can understand in this point. So this is we call gerund. Continue. Practice 28a. Write the gerund of the verbs of this verb. Write the gerund of this verb. So be to being, clean to cleaning, come coming, do doing, fly flying, get up getting up, give giving, listen listening, live, living, play, playing, smoke, smoking, stay, staying, study, studying, swim, swimming, teach, teaching, watch, watching, work, working, write, writing. So this is how to write the gerund of this verb. So it do like this. 28b. Complete the following sentence using a gerund from the exercise above. Use each gerund only once. So complete the following sentence using a gerund from the exercise below. So we use this gerund to complete the gap in this 28b. So let's start together. 1. My father love listening to music. So the answer is listening that we take from the exercise above. 2. Rosie likes coming to our house. 3. Peter doesn't like driving doesn't like driving the car. So the answer is driving driving the car. So I usually do it. Sorry. Number 4. Do you like swimming in the sea? So the swimming is the gerund, is the answer of this sentence. 5. She loves giving presents. So giving is the answer. It is a gerund. Number 6. I had writings letters. So writing is gerund. It is the answer. 7. 7. Jess loves listening a mother. So listening is the answer of this sentence. It is gerund. 8. I had getting the smell of cigarette is terrible. So getting is the answer. It is a gerund. 9. I don't like flying, so I travel everywhere by train or boat. Flying is the answer. It is a gerund. Number 10. My friends and I love playing ball games on the beach. So playing is the answer. It is a gerund. Joe likes watching televisions after a long day at college. So watching is the answer. It is a gerund. 12. Everyone in my family hates cleaning on Monday morning. So cleaning is the answer. It is a gerund. 13. Does Caroline like teaching young children? So teaching is the answer. It is a gerund. 14. I don't like the lesson at college, but I like studying. So studying is the answer. It is a gerund. Studying in the libraries. 15. Greg always had doing his homework. So doing is the answer and it is a gerund. 16. Lisa doesn't really like working in an office. So working is the answer. It is a gerund. 17. Annie and I love living in the countryside. Annie and I love living in the countryside. So living is the answer. It is a gerund. 18 Philip really likes staying in good hotel. So staying is the answer. It is a gerund. So our exercise is finished. So our exercise about gerund is finished. And I hope that you can understand what I'm teaching, and we will continue to the new lesson for next video. Thank you for learning together.